नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल Tradeplan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market. Today is 31st July 2024. In this video, we will review the monthly critical levels for Nifty 50, try to understand Nifty's trend and build up a trade plan for tomorrow, which is 1st August 2024. Before we start this video, thank you very much for the excellent response which I have received on my past few videos. I welcome all my new subscribers and I really thank your likes, comments. It is for a creator like me, uh, your like, your comment, your subscription really motivates me to come back and make these videos. So keep them coming. So before we get into Lalaji, let's have a quick review on global market. We see that global market S&P 500 today is moved up, but looks like it's taking some degree of resistance at 20, but definitely it is in positive. The dollar index, but still below 20 bar. The dollar index is st- still below 20 and 200, but today it is kind of going down, which is a good sign. US 10-year bond yield is continuously going down, which may not be a good sign. So I think the global trends are not giving very clear indication, except that we see certain degree of positiveness which is coming back into the global market, but still below critical level. So too optimistic to say that the global trends are looking bullish. Now let's try to get some signal from our local indicators. So when we look into Bank Nifty, we see that Bank Nifty today has taken a support on last week closing and has shown a classic reversal pattern week here, and it is just above 8 bar moving average, but still below 20. But you see certain degree of reversal on Bank Nifty. That could be, and HDFC Bank is still consolidating in the range of 1630 and 1598 and below 20 bar and just below 8 bar. So this is definitely looking weak. And Reliance is has taken a very critical support on the junction of 8 bar and 20 bar and has formed a doji. So the tomorrow's candle which will be formed in Reliance will decide the trend in Reliance. So there is another doji reversal pattern which requires one confirmation to know in which direction the trend is going. So in global trend, in domestic trend also, we see that Reliance is kind of uncertain, but at a very critical level. Whenever you see this kind of 8 bar and 50 bar or any moving average getting coincide with each other, you could expect a big move in either of the direction. So Reliance is uncertain. HDFC is kind of consolidating from very long time, and Bank Nifty is showing certain degree of reversal on last week closing with a very strong support at 51 to 98 level. So with that in background, let's have a look into a Lalaji, which is Nifty. So before we get into trend of Nifty, let's have a look at its monthly level. So now we see on monthly level, let me pull up a daily chart. So for month of August, the pivot is at 24,648, which is this black dotted line. And we see that this zone of 24,674 to 24,590 is a strong support for Nifty now. On upper side, we see that 25,5051 and 25,228 to 25,268 is going to act as a strong resistance. So 25,228 is a monthly H3 and monthly H4 is at 25,505. On lower side, the next strong support for market will come at 24,466 and 24,402. Currently, market on daily chart is in super uptrend running almost parallel to 8 bar and 20 bar moving average. But like I said yesterday, it is definitely an overbought position with a 20 bar at 24,534. On 15-minute chart, we see that market today has closed above today's pivot and above all the major moving average like 8 bar, 20 bar, 50 bar. So it is showing sign of an uptrend. And when we look into CPR, we see that tomorrow's pivot value is way above today's pivot value. So this is a second confirmation that market is bullish. From past 3 days, we are seeing a typical day because of which again the value profile for a market is very tight. This is almost close to 0.5. So very high chance that tomorrow could become the trend day we are waiting for. And the most important thing for tomorrow is if we look at currently Nifty gift which is at 24087. So assuming that if our market is opening tomorrow at 24, this level of 24090 up, which is definitely above today's high, which is 24978. So tomorrow open will be above today's value area as well as today's range. This is another confirmation that tomorrow could be a trend day. So what's the trade plan for tomorrow? Our ability to determine which market participants are influencing price will allow us to judge the conviction and behavior of a price movement. There are typically two types of market participant: initiative buyers and sellers and responsive buyers and sellers. Tomorrow, if market is opening above today's price range and above value area, so somewhere between R2 and R3, then there are two possibilities will happen. One is that initiative buyers will come in and will take market to higher levels, or responsive sellers will come in and will bring a market back to its value area. My expectation is that tomorrow could be a trend day, and if the open is above the range and pivot area somewhere between R2 and R3, then 15-minute breakout in any direction is the trend. And if it's a trend day, then let's assume that we run the market till its last breath and leave the market at around 315. So tomorrow could be the day to make money. 15-minute breakout in any direction if the open is above the range and above the value area. I hope these discussions had added value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Stay healthy, trade well. Jai Hind.